Alright, guys, let's go ahead and get started on this here. They're telling us that there's a builder who's making ramps with a base to height ratio of 12:1. And these are wheelchair accessible. And in this diagram, they're basically telling us that our base is basically 12 times whatever 1 is. So 12:1. And it says that a certain ramp in this case needs to cover a height of 8 meters. So the height in this case is 8 meters, and they're asking us to find the length, which is L in this case. They're asking us to find this side here. But if you guys take a look, we're also missing our base in this case. Now, we do know that the ramp has a ratio of 12:1, which means that this is going to be 12. 12:1 could be expressed as 12/1. And in this case, if we compare it to the second triangle here, our height in this case is represented with the 1. So then we want to go ahead and find our base. I'll go ahead and put that as x. And my height is 0.8. So then from here, we're going to go ahead and cross multiply to find our base. So in this case, x equals 9.6. So in this case, our base is going to be 9.6. And once again, this is a ratio from 12:1. So if I were to divide 9.6 by 0.8, so 9.6 divided by 0.8, I should be getting 12, which is what the ratio is, 12:1. So then from here, I already know 2 of my sides, and I can now find my L value. Now, based on the triangle we have here, I can actually determine what my A, B, and C value is. Starting off with the C, we're looking at the side opposite to the right angle, and in this case, our L is our C value. So we're trying to find our hypotenuse in this case, and we'll go ahead and make this A. We'll make this B. So then from here, we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So then a in this case is 0.8 plus 9.6 squared. And whatever we get there is going to be our c value squared. So then 8.8 squared is going to be 6.4. Let me just double check that because decimals throws off. Yeah, no, I lied. 0.64, not 6.4. 0.64 plus 9.6 squared is going to be 92.16. And all of that is equal to c squared. So then we're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So we have 92.16 plus 0.64, which gives us 92.76 equals c squared. Now, since we're trying to solve for c, let's go ahead and take the square root of both sides. And we have c equals, or it's an approximation because we're going to go ahead and round. We have the square root of 92.76, which gives us 9.63. Or they're asking us to round to the nearest hundredth, which means 2 decimal places. So it's approximately 9.63. And this is in meters. So the hypotenuse in this case is 9.63.